Hi, my name is Esther Singurova, and I'm the candidate for the Parrot political party.
Wearing masks in all classes can get tiring. In response to the COVID situation, our party suggests building another outdoor classroom.
You don't feel comfortable admitting that you don't understand your teacher? Our party wants to start extracurricular tutoring sessions led by other students and teachers, like Math Corner. Have you ever wondered if maybe your teacher isn't here, but couldn't check school online because of the no phones rule? We want to buy new screens that will always show the schedules of classes.